amazing. Discover Getty have been excellent hosts. I appreciate the time and effort they put in to make sure that we all had an amazing time. And
this has been my first experience leaving the United States. It's been an amazing experience, and for my first time I was able to come to Africa, learn more about my roots, learn more about the roots of our people, why they're so strong. And I'm excited to bring lots of gifts for like my family members. I have some baby cousins, they're about 9 or 10, so I'm thinking these bracelets would be really nice for them.
Just been fantastic, honestly. Second time in Africa, first time in Nigeria. I'm definitely gonna come back.
Yo, the experience was solid so far, you know what I mean? We came here, it was a little walk around in our oven, you know what I mean? But the heat keep you on your toes, keep you ready to haggle. We got some dope pieces, got some nice fabric, got some gifts for good friends and co-workers. It's lit. Back to the turn up.
We had an excellent time this year. We did a lot more. It was a lot longer than, well, a couple of days longer than last year. We, saw a lot more. So it was an awesome experience. A lot of great people, a lot of beautiful people.
I think it's beautiful, it's wonderful. You get to see so many different things about Nigeria, the culture.
Discover Getty's a blast. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know, if anyone's scared to travel with them, they're great. Hospitality, A1. Like straight up legit people, humble from the heart.
So we're at the Nikkei or Art Gallery, and it is gorgeous.
From what I've seen, it reminds me of what I've seen here. It captures a lot of the culture, the people, the market that we saw on the road. It's beautiful.
And then just to see like paintings of black artists, of black culture, it's beautiful. I'm enjoying myself.
Everybody